Hi everyone, I am not Emily. I am AI Emily. I'll guide you through using this fantastic tool to create personalized avatar videos with over 14 different avatars in XMe. Here we are on the XMe dashboard. To get started, simply sign up or log in if you already have an account. Once you're in, you can now start generating a spokesperson video. What you need to do is to input your video title for your project. Then, select any characters that you like.
Hello, I'm the digital persona of XMe.
Or you can also choose to upload your own video to clone your avatar. Next, select your preferred voices, or any pre-made voices too. The interesting part is, we provide ChatGPT scriptwriter for you to generate your script. Just type anything you would like to and replace it. If you would like to change your language, just press the translator button and you can translate into any language that you will like to. Once you are done, submit your project and you will get your video ready soon. Here's a short introduction to using our XMe. Enjoy and have fun!